Hi guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So guys, in this video I will explain you a recent job openings from Australia. So if you are interested to apply for this job in Australia, please keep watching this video to the end and let's know what is the recent job openings, what is the applying process, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job, everything details I will explain you in this video. So let's start. As you know, nowadays so many guys wants to move abroad with a job because of high salary and a good careers. So let me explain what is the latest job openings from Australia. This is a curry cook and tandoori cook required in Australia. So if you are related to cooking professionals, and basically if you have already experience as a cooker in any country, if you have international experience, then this is a good chance in Australia. So let's propose job descriptions. Curry cook and tandoori cook. These positions are available at a Zaika Indian restaurant in Melbourne, Australia. So this is a job in Indian restaurant in Melbourne, Australia. I hope you all of know that Melbourne is a place in Australia. So must have experience in Indian cuisine. As you can see here, job is available for candidates with the right qualifications. So please keep in mind you should have the proper qualifications and proper experience in the relevant field. Then only you can apply for the job. Once you apply by forwarding your updated CV, if your CV will be shortlisted, of course you will get a notifications to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, the employer or the company will guide you about the next process. So guys, if you are interested, please forward your updated CV to the given official email id. Let me highlight this email id. You can get this email id from the descriptions and you can forward your updated CV to the given official email id. Before you sending your CV, please once read all informations regarding this cooking job from Australia. So guys, all information is available in the descriptions below this video. So please go to the descriptions and collect all informations, read it by yourselves, then apply as soon as possible if you have the proper qualifications and experience. So guys, let me tell you one thing. I can't explain you every information one by one because the video will be long. So that's why I suggest you please go to the descriptions under this video. All information is there. Read it by yourselves, then apply as soon as possible. So let's move to the next job. Disability support workers required in Australia. As you can see here, ASC is a national business with over 2,000 employees across Australia dedicated to helping people live their lives their way. So this is the official website through which you can get all information about this job. So guys, if you are interested to apply to work as a disability support workers, and if you have the proper experience in this field, of course you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email id. So as you can see here, this is the official email id through which you can send your updated CV to the given official email id. Once you sending your CV, I already told you if your CV will be shortlisted, of course you will get notifications for the interview. So guys, let me highlight this email id. You can get this email id from the descriptions. So again, I would like to tell you, before you sending your CV, please collect these informations. As you can see here, the opportunity, the role, the offer you will get from the company, everything, the skill and requirement of experience to apply for the job, everything available in front of you. You can get this information also from the descriptions. So once you get confirmed that you have the proper qualifications and experience for this job, you can apply by providing your updated CV to the given official email id. So let's move to the next job. Customer service reviewer required in Australia. As you can see here, customer service reviewer, the job. Join our team. We are looking for a customer service reviewers to visit retail outlets and report back on the store presentation, service, selling skills, cleanliness, etc. This work involves visiting and posing as a customer, first making detailed observations about your experience, then completing a survey online about the experience. The ideal customer service reviewer has an eye for detail and good memory, is reliable, has great communication skills and access to the internet. You will be paid for each survey you complete correctly and on time. So guys, if you are prepared to apply for the job to work as a customer service reviewer, and if you have the proper qualifications, please apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. So guys, one thing I would like to tell you, before you apply, please read all informations, then get confirmed that you should have the proper qualifications, proper experience, proper capability to apply for this job. Then you can forward your updated CV. Be professionals and don't forget to attach a cover letter. Every abroad employers company, for foreign companies, they are always expecting a cover letter with your CV or resume. So once you sending your resume, please attach a cover letter when you apply. So let's move the next job, warehouse supervisor. If you have the proper relevant experience as a supervisor in warehouse in any country, if you have the proper international experience, don't be late. This is a good chance. Apply as soon as possible, because the abroad employers or the foreign employers always like to hiring a international experience holder who have the experience for these positions in international. So guys, to work as a warehouse supervisor, you should have the proper qualifications and experience. Let's focus the role. Role: forklift operations, goods receipts and dispatch, inventory management, picking and packing orders. So guys, the role is labor intensive. To the successful candidate will have to physically fit. They must also be competent computer users. Most importantly, they will lead by example and be accountable for their work. If you think you could be the right person for this role, please send your updated CV to the given official email ID. So guys, I already told you, if your CV will be shortlisted, then you can get a notifications to attend the interview. So in this video, I already shared you different job openings from Australia. Let me tell you again what is the job profiles. So this is a job for curry cook. Next, this is a job for disability support workers. The next job, it's a customer service reviewer. Then last job, warehouse supervisor. So guys, today I already shared with you four different job openings from Australia. If you are interested to apply any of these jobs, and if you have the proper qualifications and experience to apply any of these four jobs, don't be late. Go to the descriptions, collect all informations and read it again, and know what is the role, what is the experience and qualifications requirements, what is the applying process, everything details you need to understand by yourselves. Then apply as soon as possible. The employer did not mention any last date of the applications, but you should have to apply as soon as possible. Again, let me clear, don't be confused. This is the latest job openings from Australia. Please go to the descriptions under this video. All information is available there. Please read it carefully. If you are suitable to apply any of these four jobs, and if you have the proper qualifications and experience, I'm telling you again and again, please keep in mind, you should have the proper experience and qualifications to apply for these jobs. Otherwise, you will not get a reply from the employer. So you have to make your CV be professionals, and you have to send it by the official email ID. Once your CV will be utilized, you will get a notifications, and don't forget the cover letters to attach to CV. And once you getting success from the interview, of course they will guide you to for the forward process. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and I would like to suggest you, please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course it will be valuable for them. This is a recent job openings from Australia. You need to apply as soon as possible if you have the proper qualifications and experience. So guys, finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video we will discuss recent job openings, urgent vacancies, and job openings, new job openings from another country. Up to that, best of luck. Bye bye.